Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join an alliance on the Marble Snap game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marble Snap game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. Now, after you have completed the basic tutorial levels, you will gain access to the core game, from which you will need to complete Season 2 by playing more and more matches and winning. And once you reach enough level, the Alliances menu will be unlocked. You can now click on it and you will now find the Join as well as Create option. From the Join page, you can use the search box and type the name of any alliance that you want to join. After typing in the name, tap on the search button, and once you find the alliance that you want to join, you can click on it and this will show you the alliance detail. If the alliance is full, then you will not be able to join it. You can also use the Join page to look for various different alliances that are recommended for you. You can also see the number of members at the right side of each alliance. Go ahead and click on the one that you wish to join, and you will see the join button at the bottom. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will join the alliance right away. Click on the Let's Go button, and this will open up the alliance team page. You can tap on the chat button at the bottom right corner in order to enter the chat page. And now you have become a member of this alliance right away. You can click on the leave button at the bottom left corner from the members page in order to leave if you wish by tapping on confirm. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to join an alliance on the Marble Snap game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.